Nanababakabalin, kamusta kayo po? Welcome to Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa may authentic Chinese hotpot dito sa San Fernando.
Yan guys, so this is Shuhan Unlimited Hotpot and Grill. Samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna show you the dishes, the vibe, the food. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go! And this is the interesting part. Ito yung kanilang pork brain. Yan. So, actually ito unlimited din siya. So, the way na lutuin to, lalagay lang daw siya. Yun. One of the special din sa mga dito sa Shuhan ay yung kanilang mozzarella ball. Yan. So, at the same time, marami din silang mga type of balls na pwede yung pagpilian. Meron tayong tofu, itong mga colorful balls na pang hotpot. Meron din tayong mga dumplings. Yan. And many more.
Alright, so I think the bowl is ready. But before that, guys, pag-usapan naman natin dito, ano ba yung mga soup base nila? Ang best recommend nila dito is the mushroom and Sichuan spicy. Alternatively, if hindi po kayo hiyang sa spicy, go for the tomato. Now, the dipping sauce, meron po silang limang naka-mix na actually. So, the first one is satay, Shuhan Special, Sichuan Garlic, Sweet Spicy, and XO. Again, alternatively, you can mix your own dipping sauce dun po sa kanilang sauce corner. Tignan na natin to. Yun o, pork brain. Pork brain. Kalasa na?
You know? Perfect ang dip natin.
So, price check tayo guys. Ang rate nila for the lunch is 649 pesos. Na for the dinner and holidays and weekends, it's 699 pesos. For the kids rate, if may kasama po kayong bata dito, it's 319 pesos. Now, that is just for the hot pot. Okay? If you want grilling, tulad nun, grilling, if you want to grill, additional 149 pesos lang tayo. These are the grill items. So meron tayong barbecue kebab, barbecue chicken wing, barbecue drumette, corn, and so much more. So we're gonna include yung mga videos so that you will know ano ba yung mga kasama doon sa grill items natin. Sarap nito guys. Add 149 pesos. Meron na kayong unlimited grill. And one of the must try is this beef kebab. Sarap.
Fried mantou. Alright!
Wow! Bro, isa lang masasabi ko na super duper Wow, that's it.
Actually, sulit na sulit yung stay mo dito and yung pagkain mo dito.
Ako, pinaka nagustuhan ko actually is yung kebab, beef kebab.
Yes.
Napakalambot niya. Melts in your mouth.
Yes, actually, maliban dun sa kebab, almost yung mga meats nila and yung kanilang hotpot, talaga napakasarap.
They actually use premium meat and at the same time, mga spices, yung mga pampalasa nila dito are out of this place. Feel mo na parang nasa China ka, ano?
Yes. So we are located dito sa may Kingspire Business Centre, MacArthur Highway, Quebiawan. And they are open from 12 noon to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you at Shuhan Unlimited Hotpot and Grill. Thanks so much for watching.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.